So today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the Dji Mic 2. So it's a wireless mic from DJI. It's known for their drones and all this thing. But I got myself the mic 2 to see what it's all about, the hype and all this thing, what it's all about. So let's see what is in the box. So to be even if you can see that you kind of have the 32-bit flow, so which is good. Also you have 18 hours battery, so battery pour 18 heures en français. Intelligent cancelling, so also have intelligent cancelling, so which is really good. So but you know, less talking and let's open it to see what is all about and what is in the box, and then we can have a experience together. So let's see. So put this one together. So how do you even open it? Is it from there? This is my first time actually owning one of these, so bear with me. How is it even open? This way, I think it must be something like this. Oh, on the back. Oh god. Okay, so from the back. Okay, cool. So first impression, let's put the box in one side. So we have all the manual here, all the guide that you can how to use it. All is here. Also they have like, okay, this one doesn't matter anyway. So this is the back, how it all look like. DJI logo here, nice, small. Actually it's really compact bag to have, and it look like really well made. It's compact, so I like that how compact it is. So let's see what is in the box. Okay, we open it and then, okay, nice. So so you can see here they include, this one is the dead cat, wind screen or wind protector. So is there, wind protector is there, cable. So this is type C, USB to type C here. Okay, cable for your camera, which is great. So we have the case itself. So okay, so that's all in the bag to begin with. That's all in the bag. So let's put the bag on the side. Okay, now this is, okay, this is the windscreen protector, type C. This one go there. So here the bad boy itself, so it's like press to unlock. The case, yeah, the feel of the case is like, it's quite steady and heavy but not too heavy. So it kind of have matte polish, so which is good. It's type C, so you can see it look compact. It look compact for my, this is my actually my first mic from DJI, so it look good. It look good. So let's remove this one from here. Here you go, and then let's press to open it. So there you go. So that's the whole mic. So these are the receivers, nice, and is actually transparent. Okay, so you have two receivers, transmitters, sorry, two transmitters and one receiver, sorry for that. And then this is the kind of the plug for iPhone, Lightning, type C. But the iPhone 15 now have the all those accessories at the type C, so you don't need that one too much. But for old iPhone, yeah, cool. So far that's, it look good, ain't gonna lie. Also they include like small magnet which is here, so yeah, oops, okay, the magnet is there. Cool. It's quite strong. The transmitter itself is like type C here, and you can transfer it as well, so you can transfer data or those things, you can charge it there as well. On the side, this is the power button. This kind of like you can switch between what do you call it, noise isolation and all those things. So I think that's the button for it. So here you can record, like you can record for internal recording. So if you press that, it's like a backup when you are recording audio. So I think that's actually really good as well. So so far, like, yeah, it's cool. Yeah, that's my my first experience of yeah, the DJI Mic 2. So far it look good. It look good. It's simple. The case also is good. It kind of give you that sleek design. So it's simple but good. So I think I put everything in properly. No. So yeah. So you open it, you close it. Matte finish. Cable inside. Windscreen. Both for both. Is actually, let me open one and see what is on. How is all. Let's have the experience together. So okay, it's like, let me open it again. So you kind of plug it in, something like this, and then there's a click there. So it's actually good. Yeah, it's like, yeah, and then you remove it, same like that. So it's cool. I ain't gonna lie. So that's the whole experience that we kind of have, the whole experience together. So if you are, and also I like that they include these cases, actually kind of give you, it protect your thing and also have enough space for you to be able to put your stuff in. So it's actually really good. And yeah, so that's it. This is all together the experience, me having or buying DJI mic, and this is the mic 2 experience. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I may say that, and thanks for tuning in.